Alright, so two things I realized with that. Will use a lot of your battery, so don't just turn it on and start playing around. It will empty your motorcycle battery. Put a battery maintainer on it. That's what I have done, and still use extra power on that. Now on this unit here, I'm gonna show you it's connected already to CarPlay, as you can see it here, and as you can see the test, it works really good. But I'm gonna show you the trick how I connect it. Okay, let's go to, you see I have rearranged also the icons. You can do that from your iPhone. I'm gonna show you how. Alright, so we'll go to car home and you press this. Alright, and you can see the connections here. This is an equalizer. I haven't used it yet. These are the volumes. This is the brightness. Okay, so this is on automatic brightness. Maybe I should have switched this to maximum when I have done the test. Let's see how now how it looks like now. Yeah. Okay, so maybe, you know, I did a mistake and I haven't put full brightness on the test. You can see how it looks now in a very bright day. Look, the sun, but we added the shade. So okay, so let's go to back home, and the trick is, if you have any problem with the connection, is this. Okay, this is the trick. Audio output, you press that and make sure this is light up, iPlay auto, and not this one. Before, when I have problems, the BT trans was on, was blue like this one, you see here. And after I press that, I don't want to touch it right now, but after I press that, iPlay auto, everything work perfectly. Alright, so make a note on that. If you have any problems, just follow my instructions just on that bottom here, and everything will work better. Look at that, including everything works with my Apple Watch. Before, we spent a lot of time, you know, try to find out. Now I also have put the weather up. Alright, check it out. Yes, it's sunny and clear. We are in Greece. It probably is going to be sunny and clear for the rest of the year. Alright, so this is it, and I hope you guys like it. Make sure you put the brightness all the way up if you're on a sunny day. I didn't, so probably the display, it will go to another test. I'm going to upload a little bit later on, because tomorrow we're leaving for a tour. Alright, so up to now everything works really good. The maps, I can listen to the directions, the music, I can you know, lower the volume, raise the volume from my intercom. Remember, I use the Carpuride Talk Edge. On if you watch part 1, you can see the connections. I have turned off the Apple Watch, and I have able to call Siri, and Siri can give me the weather and call home. And I was able also to receive phone calls and have a really decent conversation. Nobody could understand that I was on the bike. That's how clear my voice was. So let's see the rest of the video. See where the rest of the test will be. Turn on the Apple Watch on the way back and do a couple more testing. Now, the sunlight, if you can see, is direct onto the display. Hey Siri, send a message to Viper to my vehicle. Hi baby, send me a message to Viper so I can do a test. Distance. Yes. Everything works perfect now. All right, so we are X-Moto. We put that base on the guys. Thank you guys. And this has nothing to do with the previous test. It's very bright. I put the brightness almost to full, so you can see what's going on here, right? It's perfect. So I can use probably that and do home. All right, and start. I can see the traffic and everything. All right, looking good. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna be putting some gas. Everything's works beautiful. The music, the maps and everything. The weather. Guys, this is excellent. All right, talk to you later. You know, helpfully I have helped you with the settings and everything. I do recommend it. Look how nice it is compared to what I have before. And here I have also my TomTom. I might not even use it anymore. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.